Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Terrain Denali. This SUV has a 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the 2023 Terrain Denali, starting on your left-hand side, we have power-controlled mirrors, heads-up display controls, heated leather steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, push-to-start ignition, 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, dual-zone climate control, push-activated gear selector, 4-wheel drive and other driving modes in the center console, controls for your heated and cooling seats, and Bose audio all around the SUV. Taking a look at the exterior for the Terrain, starting off with the 19-inch aluminum wheels paired up with Hankook Kinergy tires, chrome door handles with painted accents, LED strip on the side of the mirror. Heading around to the front of the SUV, we have the LED headlights and daytime running lights, chrome grille. Moving along the side of the SUV, chrome Denali trim along the bottom of the doors. This vehicle is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows, as well as the chrome trim. And make your way to the back of the SUV. Has a multi-stage lifting tailgate, as well as the chrome Terrain badge and trim. Taking a look inside the Terrain once again, heated leather seats, come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down through the center. Controls for the heated seats in the center console, as well as dual charging USB ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Terrain Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.